Speaker sir, I scanned through your answer that you gave, and I will be very, very specific, and you have to be very specific while replying, Honorable Chief Minister. Speaker sir, we have to look at the serious practical issues in the interest of the stakeholders in tourism, hospitality. Sodach, Mukhyamantri pod muntalo, biupa goros namo. Hui na hui aaj, je data share kotolo. This is pure data. This will show that Dabolim will be a ghost airport. Speaker sir, here two airport pad hai in close vicinity. Solpak. Basically, two airport Solpak tuka 24 million per annum traffic zai. Currently, it is about close to 10 to 11 million in both, if you look at North Goa, Mopache and Daboli. Because if we do not deliberate into measures samozam kelnan, measures ache magi rehta hai bukar. We will not be able, and we are left only at the market forces. Today we are at the market forces. Because Goa Chamber of Commerce of GCCI je padya, Emi Pradhan Mantri Burele in 2024, expressing their apprehension about the potential closure of Dabolim Airport. Speaker sir, zoritor chailar trend zoritor chailar Spice Jet ultra flight halyo to 3 zalyo, Go Air flight pod halyo land zatale Dabolim 16 te 0 zale, Indigo je grounded aircraft halle te shift zale, Qatar Airways, Speaker sir, they've ceased their operations. Oman Aeroflot, TUI, charters, they have decided to shift to Mopa. Uzbekistan Air and Emirates, they are in talks with GMR. Air Arabia is the 6th airline to move its base out of Mopa. Fly 91 is scheduled to start later this year at Mopa. And that's because what efforts, because coming from the industry, I feel, and right from the start, it was my appeal to the Chief Minister, kitko am sambhalpak shekta hai wo geli. Because Akasa has got a lot of additions. They are expanding in a big way. Air India is merging with Vistara. I believe they are both tied up. You have to look at that concept. Because ye doni airport doritor automatically saves जावपा नाही. आणि ते तुझे आतात ना केंद्राचे आतात नाही. हांव कित्याक तें तुका सांगता. Because presently UDF era padya, they decide on the user development fee. You said you would write to them. Jain Daboli Maha is 1,791 for 25-26. And the Mopage of user development fee is 840 rupees. Number 2, Airport Authority of India has raised the parking fees at Dabolim by 40%. Ami 2 वर्षां जाली उलयताय. Still they have raised. If you are not going to relocate, I believe chain reaction jata. It's like a chain reaction. All of these things basically, Speaker sir, will lead to the closure of Dabolim. It is now or never. I believe that the Chief Minister basically should tell us very clearly. When I say clearly, Speaker sir, aaj jo uttar tu mag dila in your reply, and it is surprising. I och prashna, Speaker sir, maglolo 2A. With regards to details of international flights currently operating from Dabolim, shifted from Dabolim to Mopa, a flight pad hai. Uttar te question tumge cut kele. Uttaru dilla maga. Aaj jenna uttar dilyar, you see there seems to be a drop in the international passengers. If you look, what was 45,000 in January has come down to 29,000 at Dabolim. What was 252 in January has come to 198, the number of flights. So, Speaker sir, ये म्हाका दिसता this user development fee and parking fees. Now, so long we have been talking. Have you written to aeronautical services, the authority? Have you written to bring down that fees? Because this government is responsible for safeguarding our economy, especially with regards to shifting of the airlines. And GMR, you all gave them a revenue sharing holiday dili from May 2024 to December. Why special treatment to GMR? Why attention is not given to Dabolim of shifting? Char tungele amdar hai from Mormugao constituency. Now, to the point, this is a reply that is been given by the BJP central government to Captain Viriato Fernandes in the parliament. And this reply clearly states that this government is lying. I'll tell you why. Speaker sir, the question was, question number 581. the details of the measures taken by government to ensure flight operation from Dabolim Airport continues and to encourage the flight operators to operate from Dabolim. और एक part डालो. D, whether there is any procedure, rules for airline companies to report to the government, Ministry of Civil Aviation, about shifting of operations from one airport to another, and if so, details thereof. I will read to the reply, and this reply is shocking. That means Dabolim is a ghost airport. If the reply, CND Ekubara dila, with repeal of Air Corporation Act in March 1994, the Indian aviation has been totally deregulated. Airlines are free to induct capacity with any aircraft type, free to select whatever markets and network they wish to service and operate subject to the compliance of Route Dispersal Guideline, RDGs, issued by the government and the approval of the schedule by DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation. Airlines can do whatever they go, wherever they want. तुम पढ़ सांगताय आमका, एटली 2 वर्सां आम सांगताले. You have to get into some marketing strategy. Give them so that they come here. First of all, it's expensive. Tickets are expensive. Now they can choose. You can't stop them, nor can the central government stop them as per this line. That means Dabolim is a ghost airport. आमी पहिले तुका सांगलेले की it is not possible. Unless you get to this is a very, very serious issue. Because Dabolim basically today is on the ventilator. And this government has put it in the ICU. The pulse rate is slowly ticking. But it is dying. When I say dying, it's because it's a death without dignity. It's because we know it's dying. We are shouting here, but we are doing absolutely nothing. And we will allow it to die. But it's because what are the steps? What are the steps? Can you do it? Is it possible? Because as per the reply, it is not possible. What will you do? You can, कोण येतले थिंगा? तुगे आन्सरा मत तू एक्सपांड करीत आहा. सगळे एक्सपांड कोताय. अरे फ्लायटूय नाही जाले जाल्यार मागीर कित्याक एक्सपांड कोताय थिंगा? What is the reason? This is because Dabolim has to stay operational. You need of passengers and hospitality industry in South Goa. You need to shift it. And ICU padha, bring it back into the operation theatre. You're a medical professional. Bring it to the operation theatre. Conduct the required operation. And because the question is, will you do it? Can you do it? Is what you need to answer. Very specific, because I'm answering as per reply. Central government, as of now, looks like doesn't have the powers. Will you amend this act? How will this happen? Is something that Dr. Pramod Sawant needs to answer. Thank you, Speaker.